Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. This week I'll be doing a little bit of a different plan with me. This is the base for my weekly plan with me. This week, the week of March 22nd through the 28th in my Recollections vertical planner. But for the purposes of this video, I'll just be planning out the base. A lot of really personal, exciting, but personal things happened this week. So I'll just be sharing the base with you all. This kit that I used for the base of my spread this week is by Glam Planner. It is a Tangled Disney themed kit. I've never actually seen the Tangled movie, but I just really loved the artwork and the colors and the sort of boho vibe of the art. So I have been hoarding this kit for a while and I wanted to use it. And I decided to pair rose gold foil with it this week. Most of the base is from the kit, but I'll just go over some of the other things. The March script in the top of my sidebar is by Wendy Prince. Let's see. The Bed Early script in the sidebar is from the kit. The Read script in the sidebar tracker is by Murdoch Talks. And the Plan script, as well as the little mini planner, came from the kit as well. I'm not sure if you're going to see those in this video, but thought I'd mention it. The date dots that you see me putting down now are by the Glitter Mama, I believe. Yep, they are in rose gold to match the rest of the kit. My full box overlays are from a variety of different places. The Glitter Mama, my script overlay on Friday is by Scribble Prints Co. My glitter overlays on my glitter headers are by Glam Planner and Scribble Prints Co. The overlay on the bottom washi, that is the rose gold confetti, is from Murdoch Talks. Let's see. There's also some Sadie stickers in my full box overlays. And there's a couple of other pieces from Murdoch Talks in the sidebar. My this week's script is from them, as well as some deco items. And my Grateful For script in the sidebar is by Kinsey's Creations. And I think that is it for the base. And my glitter bougie boxes, underlay tapes, whatever you want to call them, are tapes from Rose Colored Days. And I think that's everything. If you have any questions about this spread or questions for me in general, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. See you next time.